Drug courts are operating with incredible success across the country. They are effective at getting people into treatment, a key step in long-term sobriety. People who complete drug court programs are significantly less likely to be arrested again compared to those who are sentenced with traditional punishments. The most successful drug courts reduce recidivism by as much as 35 to 40%. Drug courts are also cost beneficial. The National Institute of Justice concluded from a decade-long study of a drug court that reduced recidivism and other long-term program outcomes resulted in public savings of $6,744 on average per participant. We know drug courts enhance public safety, save dollars, and most importantly, restore dignity to individuals, families, and communities. In the words of Judge Thomas Horn of Loudoun County, Virginia, drug courts are the single most powerful and innovative tool available to the criminal justice system in the fight against drug abuse. To learn more, visit ndcrc.org.